I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where your Windows resolution size keeps changing automatically. So if your computer screen size keeps automatically changing, then to go and fix this, open up your Start menu, go and search for Device Manager and click on this window. Click on the drop-down arrow next to Display Adapters, and then right-click on your graphics card and click on Update Driver. Now select Search Automatically for drivers, and then you can close out of this window. If you have multiple graphics cards listed, then just make sure to do this for both of them. We're then going to close out of this window and head back over to the Start menu, search for Run and click on the Run icon. Now type in msconfig and press enter. Click on Boot and make sure this option here, Base Video, is unchecked like so, and then you can go and press Apply and OK and click on the Restart button. Now the next solution is to open back up the Start menu and go and search for Settings. Click on System in the left hand side, click on Display, scroll down to the display resolution and make sure this is set to your recommended amount. Then scroll down to Advanced Display and click on this. Click on the display adapter next to internal display, click on list all modes, and make sure this is set to the very bottom one here and go and press OK and press apply and OK. Now the final step is just to click on Windows Update in the left hand side, click on check for updates and just make sure you're running the latest version of Windows. Once you've done this, that should have now fixed your screen resolution issue. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.